What's up, Raw Garage? Today we're going to be testing our cheapest motorcycle ever and testing more expensive and more expensive all the way up to our most expensive motorcycles we have had so far here on the Raw Garage channel. It's going to be pretty awesome. We have amazing races involved. We're going to go head to head racing each one of these machines and seeing how well they do and who is the better rider. Is it going to be me or
me?
And by me, it's Matt.
Me. I'm the better rider here. I know it because, well, actually, I can't say that with too much confidence because Carter and I met over dirt bikes. So yeah, it's going to be a really good test of our skill.
You have a lot more hours on street bikes.
Yeah.
And we might be more equal on dirt bikes.
Yeah, we'll see what happens. This is going to be fun.
Yep, and we have 2 street bikes, a tiny one, a medium one, and 2 dirt bikes, a tiny one and a medium one. Some of these were so cheap, like this one, it was literally free. And this is what we're starting with today.
It's pretty cool, but it's pretty small.
Yeah,
I mean, it doesn't even come up to my knees.
Yeah, no, this thing is micro tiny. It's old. It does run, I think. Well, let's see.
It did run.
It did run, but you know, when you get down to the free level of cheap, it's a lot of question marks. Oh boy, off to a bad start.
It's supposed to be one pull.
We are out of luck. This is not looking good for the free pocket bike.
We gotta prime it.
Oh, I see the fuel going through.
It's getting fuel.
That might be all it needed. Oh boy, guys, here we go. Oh,
yeah!
The free pocket bike. Might have been a little bit of a wrestling match to get started, but that's okay. Free is free, and this thing rips. Oh no! Oh boy. This might be a lost cause.
So annoying.
We might need to upgrade to one of our more expensive motorcycles. Oh, he's off.
I'm going.
He's going. Oh, the tire. Oh no. Man, that thing looks like it's free. Your tire is completely
Tire's
tacoed.
falling off.
Ew, it's so bad. That's not good.
This might just be what you get with free.
Free might be a little bit too cheap to actually ride.
If we put a tire on it, it's not free anymore.
That's true. It'll end up being, you know, like 40 bucks.
Expensive.
Then it'll be totaled.
Yeah.
We have a perfectly good motorcycle right there. I think we go and test this shiny thing.
Yeah, let's go to the next one. I like the size of that one better anyway.
I mean, the fact it went from there to there is pretty good for free. I'll take it. I'll take that every day for free.
It still rides and runs.
It's just not going to be your daily driver.
No, I don't think so. All right, this one's pretty cool though.
This one. Let's see how many pulls this one. I mean, this thing is brand new, fresh.
Brand new. We've ridden it like one time.
And it wasn't free. This thing was $400, $500? I forget.
500 sounds right.
Around 500 maybe? Yeah.
One pull, you know the rules.
Oh, yeah. Now that is what I call an expensive motorcycle. This is the mini motorcycle. It's not a pocket bike. It needs to warm up for a minute. We haven't ridden it for a while. Oh, that thing sounds so good.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, and it's got the headlights on too. Yeah, cool exhaust. You almost popped a wheelie.
This thing is pretty cool. Now let's race.
Racers will start at this white line and go down the concrete driveway, looping around the loop down here and heading all the way back up. Past the white line, go all the way up to Raw Garage, turn around on this orange cone, and head back to the start line, which will be the finish. And I am going first, so that means, Matt, you're gonna be the timer, and we're gonna see how fast I can rip the mini motorcycle.
I got my stopwatch pulled up. As soon as you cross that line, I'm gonna start it.
Racers, start your engine, here we go. Oh boy.
Ooh,
She's not even warmed up.
Oh no, yeah.
That's why you wanted me to go first.
Maybe. Yeah, go warm it up there.
I think she might be ready.
If you're sure.
I'm ready.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go.
Here we go, guys. We're off to a good start. Engine's warmed up.
Oh, he's flying.
Coming into the first turn.
He's flying.
Gotta stay on power. Yes. Oh, we're doing so good now. Just leaning into it.
All right, he's halfway. You just got to go around that cone.
Oh, I don't have a good turning radius. Oh. And heading towards the finish line.
Woo, 37.2.
I think that was pretty fast.
It didn't look bad. You got a 37.2 is the time to beat. Didn't look bad.
Oh my gosh, 37.2, okay.
Yep.
Well, let's see what she can do, Matt.
Yeah, all right.
37.2 is the time to beat. Matt is up. Racer, start your engine.
All right. Uh-oh.
Is the key on?
Oh, yep.
There it is. All right, ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, here we go. In 3, 2, 1, go! And he's off.
Oh gosh. I don't feel very fast.
So remember guys, Matt has way more time riding a street bike than I do. He seems like he's kind of trying to hold power band right now. Ripping. Coming around the first turn just fine.
Oh, it doesn't turn very well. Oh, come on.
Here he goes. Oh, he's ripping. Go, 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 go. Yes! He's heading up to the next cone. I gotta grab the timer.
All right, halfway. Get around the cone.
Okay, here we go. And he's working his way back. And 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, wait a second. Did he beat me by 0.2 seconds? There's no way.
What'd I get?
Okay, hang on. What did I get?
37.2.
I started you a little late.
Uh-oh, okay.
To be fair, but you got 37.0.
Oh!
But I gave you a hesitation. I think it must be identical.
It's pretty close.
I want to look back at how late my finger was. It was a hesitation. I said go and then clicked, so it literally could have been exact.
It could have been exactly the same. That's funny.
But either way, I'll give you the point for race number 1.
Woo!
But we're gonna step things up and go a little more expensive, a little faster, a little bit more crazy out to the field.
Let's go.
For race number 2, we got mini TikTok dirt bike that we bought for only $290, and we have an awesome track that we just painted out here. This is the start and finish line. It's gonna be 1 lap. You race down here, you go through the figure 8 over this way, you cross over, you come back over to this berm and hit the line. Again, we each get 1 try, 1 race, 4 time. The fastest time wins. This time though, Matt is up first.
1 race, 1 lap, 1 pull.
1 pull, you know the rules. Oh, here on Road Garage, we are racing to see who is the best motorcycle driver ever. Because we're the only 2 competing.
Yeah.
Matt is pulled up to the starting line. Racers, start your engine.
1 pull. Yeah. I'm ready.
Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go! And he's off. Oh, he's ripping, guys. This thing is going fast. Oh, we've got the leg up and everything. Let's go. Hitting the first berm. Heading towards the crossover. Oh, a little slow there.
Woo! Oh, this thing is fast.
Heading towards the last berm. Gotta stay in the red lines. Don't get a DQ. Oh, that might be a DQ. And finish. Oh, I forgot to finish. Shoot. Oh, I was so distracted.
Victory lap.
Okay, I stopped him a little late, but he's having so much fun. I'm not gonna tell him. We're just gonna run this time. He also, I think he might have DQ'd with the red line.
All right, what was my time?
Not bad, 24.
24.3. This thing is surprisingly fast.
Yeah, it rips.
Like, I keep forgetting how fast it is. It's not bad.
Yeah, that was crazy.
All right, your turn.
So yeah, well guys, we will keep that a secret and see how close it is, and maybe it will tell him the truth after. But for now, not a bad time. Okay, guys, we are back up. I'm about to rock this thing. Let's go helmet cam. Just gotta keep her in the power band the whole time.
Hold on tight, she's pretty fast. All right, I've got my timer ready. Are you ready?
Yep.
All right, fire it up.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's go. Woo!
Oh, he's flying. Oh, yeah. He's keeping it in power.
Come on, baby. Whoa!
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
What was it?
What was my time?
Oh, 24.3.
Whoo, you smoked me.
Oh!
You're 22.9.
Well, I do have a confession. You crossed the finish line. I forgot to hit the timer, so I pulled it out of my pocket and hit it. That being said, though, you did cross over on the red line over there.
I did cross the red line over there just a little bit.
So I don't know. I think that might be a DQ.
Oh, come on.
Hard to say.
I'll take the loss. I got one win already. I'm going to win the next round anyway, so I don't care.
Oh my God.
I got to give something to Carter.
If it wasn't for the timer error, we might have ran the exact same time again. I didn't say the rules about going across the red line until like a second before you did it. So I don't know. We'll leave it to the comments of who should get this point, but we'll move on to the tiebreaker regardless, which is the big boy ramp. I think we're supposed to be hitting that.
Yeah, this next course is pretty big. It's the two biggest jumps.
Yeah, and that is a 8-foot metal freestyle ramp.
And a 13-foot tall landing.
You think you're gonna be able to hit that?
Yeah, I mean, I hope. I haven't hit that in a long time, so.
This course is so big, I'm not gonna be able to stand on the ground and show you the actual course. We're gonna have to go into the old abandoned school bus. And we're gonna have to climb all the way up to the rooftop of this thing, because this next course is going to be big, guys. These expensive dirt bikes that we have big bore kits, which basically means we supercharged those bikes. We made them go so much faster, way more power. We updated the suspension. We invested quite a bit of money into that dirt bike so it can ride a course of this magnitude. I'm standing on a full-size school bus right now, guys. It's huge. Matt's standing on the top of the landing. He's way above me. So the course would start up here. We would come down, hit the freestyle, come down like this, hit a left turn, hit the school bus jump, which is right here, which jumps the exact length of the school bus start to finish, and then it brings it back around to the start yet again. That is our last course. It's a big one, and me and Matt are a little intimidated because we haven't hit this jump in a while.
No, not at all. So,
I mean, this is your last chance to say we're doing a different course.
Nope, we're doing it.
Well, we better warm up before we get this done.
Let's do it. Oh my gosh, this is so steep.
Easy, easy. He can't even run down the landing. We're supposed to land on that with speed and then drive away. This track is wild, and Matt, you're up first again, it looks like.
All right, I'm ready to go.
All right.
Let's do this.
Matt, do you want a warm-up jump?
Yeah, one jump.
All right. He's going first. He's going to get a warm-up. He's going to get a feel for the track. I think he's going to try the school bus jump here, which is almost the perfect distance of the school bus. Here he goes. And he's up over the school bus. Oh, wow. Okay. Time to lock and load. We are reusing the same start line as the last track, but running it backwards. Okay, you're at the start. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready. This is kind of an awkward start here, but
yeah, you're gonna just drop in, but go backwards up the track and then straight off the freestyle ramp.
Like straight off the freestyle right away.
No hesitation. Massive jump, even bigger than what you just hit.
Yep, sounds
and then
good.
Back around and for time.
Yep, I'm ready.
Let's do it. Since this set track is literally too big, I gotta go back up on the school bus. Okay, here we go. This is crazy. You feeling good?
I'm ready.
Okay, this is actually gonna be pretty wild up here. Our garage, we're about to send it. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1, go!
Go, 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 go!
Okay guys, he is off and running. Oh, he's about to hit the freestyle jump. Oh, it's like above my head. Okay guys, this next one's actually gonna be even crazier. He's going around the second turn. Here we go. Let's go, Matt. Yes! Oh, and time is 19. I'll give him 19. Shoot, I was a little late on that.
Woo!
So if it's close, we'll have to look at the slow-mo replay.
That was awesome.
That was huge.
What was my time?
19.58.
Okay, that's the fastest time yet.
Yeah, that's pretty fast. 19.5. I don't know if I should have given him a full second on that. Oh well. How'd that feel?
It's good. It's pretty fun. Those two jumps are huge, but they're so much fun.
Yep. All right. Well, it is my turn to see if I can win this thing.
Yep.
See if I can claim at least the off-road title. At least the off-road War Garage dirt bike title. Guys, this dirt bike did start as a pile of scraps.
Yeah, this was a pile of parts in a bin.
And we rebuilt it and big bored it. And now she's hitting big jumps. Here we go, guys. Wish me luck. I'm about to win this thing. Okay, make sure I'm in the right gear.
All right, are you ready?
Yep.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go. Freestyle! Woo!
Oh man. Oh, he's flying. Oops, well.
Oh, that was crazy.
I did kind of mess that up a little bit, but.
I landed a little deep on this one.
All right, so what was my time?
19.5.
I kind of fudged it, but as you crossed the line, you were 19.8.
Oh my gosh, I think you were actually 19.8.
We're gonna have to check the tape.
We are so close in all of these, and our timing system has been terrible, guys.
System's not great.
At the end of the day, me and Matt were incredibly close in our times, guys, but it's gonna come down to you to vote in the comments right now. Subscribe to Raw Garage if you guys think that I won, or hit the like button right now if you think Matt was the winner.
Hit the like button.
And we'll see you guys on the next episode of Raw Garage. Woo!